The Pure Daily Care Steamer is a new type of steamer that uses nano steam to generate negative charge ions. These particles combines a conventional heating element with an extrasonic vaporizer to create powerful skin-penetrating steam. This unique combination is up to 10x more effective than traditional steamed product. Pure Daily Care's 3-in-1 Ionic facial steamer is more effective at removing skin impurities because of the negative charge it produces. This makes it possible to penetrate deep into the pores and remove dirt, oils, and other debris. The device uses a conventional heating element and a new ultrasonic vaporizer that produces nano steam with negatively charged ion particles. The device is said to be more efficient as it will use less energy and produce less waste than current methods. This kit includes 5 precise instruments that complement your NanoSteamer perfectly. Follow up your steaming sessions by using this kit to remove blackheads and blemishes effortlessly for perfect skin after every use. NanoSteamer is a true multifunctional device, can also be set to humidify a room, and has an extra chamber to warm towels for ultimate refreshment or quick and easy makeup removal. If you are looking to improve your skincare routine, facial steamers are a great investment. They help unclog pores and promote better circulation, which results in a brighter complexion. Additionally, facial steamers can help your skincare products absorb more deeply into the skin, resulting in longer-term benefits. Pure Daily Care's NanoSteamer is loved by many of its ability to steam, toner, and moisturize all in one go. This device helps users achieve their desired skincare goal quickly and easily. At a time when my skin could really use some help, I took it for a spin over the course of 12 days to see if it really lives up all the hype. Wearing masks all the time can be tough on your skin. If you stop wearing them for a while, your skin may not adjust well and might experience more problems such as congested skin and blackheads and comedones on the nose. But now they are more apparent than ever, and they have moved their way down to my chin too. The fact that I haven't had a facial in a very long time probably isn't helping my case. I only recently started consistently steaming my face and have been pretty pleased with the results. Not only does steaming makes my skin feel supple and hydrated, but it makes it much easier to extract my blackheads and other gunk safely. Facial steaming with Nano Ionic steam can be very beneficial for many skin types, particularly those with clogged pores, congested skin, and persistent zits and blackheads. Not only does it help to detoxify the skin by softening the oil deposits and impurities trapped in your pores, making them easier to extract, but it has some other perks too. They are safer than DIY methods such as placing your face over a pot of boiling water. They still come with their own risk. The heat from the steam dilates blood vessels and can lead to flare-up, flashings, and further irritate the skin. The NanoSteamer promises to do 10 times more for your skincare than using traditional methods. The extraction kit helps to get rid of blackheads and other problems faster, while the Ionic steam supposedly helps skin penetrate more deeply. Plus, although it's known that absorption of atmospheric oxygen through the epidermis occurs, there is no evidence that suggests that this steamer could increase this. Since there are no clinical trials to back up this claim, it's best taken with a grain of salt. The NanoSteamer is a steam room that uses both a conventional heating element and an ultrasonic vaporizer. The combination of the two produces nano steam, which has negative charged ion particles that penetrate the skin deeply. The steamer is designed for easy use with 3 different settings that let you toggle between using it as a facial steamer, room humidifier, or towel warmer. You cannot control the temperature, but the device will turn off after 30 minutes if there isn't water or when the water tank runs out. The first time I used the NanoSteamer, I was a bit surprised at how faint the steam worked. I could feel it, but it wasn't as strong as the other steamers I have used in the past, and I wasn't sure if it was doing anything. However, after 30 minutes, my skin feels softer and more hydrated, and extracting any gross stuff from my pores was a breeze. I couldn't take care of all of my blackheads, but the steam definitely made it easier to clear a lot of gunk out of my pores in my nose and chin areas. So that's all. If you have any question about this product, write on the comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.